paradise. Before starting his show, he clears his stage. He takes particular care to remove anything green. That colour will be the main feature of his display, and he doesn't want any competition. His costume must be immaculate. Plumes like these need careful attention. Time to summon the audience. The first to appear are all young males. They have come to watch and to learn. At last, a female. She looks much like a young male to our eyes, but he can clearly tell the difference. She will judge him by his performance and the brightness of his feathers. He puffs up his feathers and swings